Hi guys, so today I'm to be teaching here how to make slime. So let's go. So first you need your container to make your slime in. And then you'll need your glue. Like, I preferably like to use Elmer's glue. Yeah. I only have one bottle of this stuff. So, and Ma, how do you make the borax? Tell everyone.
A cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon of borax.
That's how you make it, and mix it in.
That's your activator.
Okay, after that, that was all the glue that I could get out of here. So after that, you use your shaving cream or your shaving foam. I'm using shaving foam. I'm using shaving foam because my dad uses shaving cream and he doesn't use this because someone's allergic to it at his work, I think. So that's good. We're using the last
How much
bits.
you need the cream?
It doesn't use any measurements.
Ah, okay. Just put a little bit at a time.
But I already okay. But if you want to plan, you don't have any ingredients to decorate it, yeah. But you can use acrylic paint to color it. So I'm gonna go color it. Add some acrylic paint. Sorry if I'm humming. I just like to hum while I'm doing this, like music. Okay. Now, I want to put this in. I don't know why, and oof, it almost fell. It's like these glow in the dark things. All of it must prevail onto you, Mr. Slime. Okay, that was the most cutest thing. But I thought it would be much less, so yeah, but I don't think I need the other container anymore. Okay, I'm just gonna add it. And then you should mix. See your consistency, your weird consistency. See, it's turning the color. You can still feel it. Feel this. Okay, I think now it would be like enough to add a little bit of some borax. So let's just make sure. Not mixing it well, so just gonna add a little bit at a time. We're not gonna add like a lot. And it's coming together. You can see. I did make slime before, but that was like a long time ago, like last year when Abby had a sleepover party. Her friend went over to sleep over at our house. I think it's turning into the shape. Is it? Just a little bit more mixing, a little bit more activator. You don't want to over-activate it. And now, yeah, can we play with this stuff? Okay, it's definitely turning it into slime. So then this is a little bit gooey because we're not done yet. So I think I'm going to add a little bit more wool.
It's already very gooey. Then add more liquid.
Borax actually makes it ungooey.
Ah, is that?
Yeah. slime is that way. If it's too gooey, add borax smaller.
You want me to add more?
Yeah, just a little bit more, and that's probably fine. Okay. See, it's getting a little bit harder to mix. That means it's coming together.
Oh, okay.
Ugh. Okay.
You wash your hands in the sink.
Yes, I won't. I know that.
You're going to block.
I know that. Yeah.
Can I help you?
Yeah.
You're messy here.
Of course, because you have all these ingredients.
Oh, almost come together. Just add a little bit.
See, borax is what's making it come together.
Yeah, activate it.
Okay, now I think I can play with it because it's, you know, coming into shape. Ugh. Okay, now it's really... I think you have to knead it. You have to knead it like this. And then it'll like unstick to your hands. So it's come together. It will unstick your hands when you knead it. It's like darker in the camera, but
Oh yeah, look at that.
like lighter here. So that's the way. And so this is regaining in here. Do it. Knead it. Knead it, and it's coming together. So I had this like glow in the dark thing, and I
Did you tell them what did you use to color it?
I used acrylic painted color, and yes, I did.
Acrylic, okay.
It was like this color. It was key thing. Mom, read what it says.
Key West.
It was called Key West. I really
It's,
like.
it says matte acrylic paint.
Yeah,
Quick drying, easy cleanup.
I love this color. It's like bluish in the camera, but it's like
But it's
tealish
green.
blue. It's like green, but I really like that color. You guys hear that sound when I was doing this? That means we're getting slime. So this isn't a lot of slime, as you can see here. Because I only had 1 gallon of glue. Let's fix you. Because I had like 1 gallon of glue, and that was it. And I only used like a little bit of shaving. And that. So this is like the finished product. But I think we still need it. I don't want to put it on the table right now. But as you can see, it's not getting in there. But it's getting a little bit sticky. I'm going to do it so you have to do it fast when you need it. And then it's like gaming, and like I hope it'll glow in the dark at night. And like this is really cool. Puffy slime. I really like puffy slime because it's like really puffy and it's better for poking your fingers. As you see, it's trying to gain all this back. Come on, let's gain all of you back. See, come on, gain back. Look at this beautiful slime, and if you can see, like it has like because it has like these, like the things, the little glow in dark sand. But that was the smaller one in the heart-shaped container, and it actually was enough. I also ordered supplies, and if I wanted a little bit more, I had these, but these are bigger ones. But that was it. That was fun. Okay, just making all of it back.
You think we can wash this outside? This will go away?
Might be, maybe not.
This one, you can throw this out. But this one I will wash.
I wanted to show Abby my slime, but this is going to be it. As you can see, it's the finished product, and I use, let me repeat, the activator, borax, and warm water, and I use acrylic paint to color, and I use shaving foam to add the puff, and I use Elmer's glue. It was washable for the glue, and I use like this container of Elmer's glue. I use and I use this glow in the dark sand. So I hope it glows in the dark, but it actually really has a good feeling to your hands. And yeah, so you can use food coloring to color your slime, but my food coloring is really little, so you don't have a lot. But I'm using acrylic paint because I have a lot of acrylic paint. My mom helped me out with the borax and helped me out a little bit with the stuff, but the rest is all me because I know how to do, because I made slime before, but before I didn't have all the ingredients, but now I had all of the ingredients I wanted. So guess what? I can make slime now.
Okay, you have to sit there. That's enough.
Bye. I hope you subscribe and like and ring the bell and comment down below, and bye.